Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 5, subject maths, chapter number 2, addition and subtraction. And this is ninth and final session on this chapter. Today, let us discuss some questions in the revision exercises which were left over. So in mental maths, we have 7 questions here. Let us answer these one by one. The questions in mental maths should be done in your mind without using pen and paper. Question number 1. Look at this number. So if we count the number of digits, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. So this is the smallest 8-digit number and it is 1 crore. So 1 crore minus dash is equal to, here we have 99,99,999. So which is the greatest 7-digit number. So on subtracting 1 from the smallest 8-digit number, you will get the greatest 7-digit number, or 1 crore minus 1 is equal to 99,99,999. Question number 2. The successor of 9,99,999 is, successor of any number is 1 more than that number. So what do you get if you add 1 to 9,99,999? You will get 10 lakh. Question number 3. Here we have 4 crore 51 lakh 9,836 plus dash. We need to write the correct number here, which is equal to 4 crore 51 lakh 9,836. So this is the same number as given here. So when do we get sum of a number as the first number itself? If the second number is 0. On adding 0 to any number, we will get the same number. So this must be 0. Question number 4. Here we have 5 crore 61 lakh 93,730 minus dash is equal to 5 crore 61 lakh 93,730. This is the same number again. And we know that when we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. So we should fill this blank by writing 0. Question number 5. If, look at this number. So this is 5 crore 63 lakh 28,921 minus 2 crore 54 lakh 63,982 is equal to 3 crore 8 lakh 64,939. So just look at these numbers. So we have the difference of two numbers here. So on subtracting this number from the first number, we are getting the difference. So then this difference is given here, plus blank space is left over here, and the number given as a sum is the minuend. So minuend minus subtrahend gives us the difference, and if you add the difference and the subtrahend, you will get the minuend. So we were using this technique for verification of difference. So the number to be filled here must be the subtrahend. That is 2 crore 54 lakh 63,982 as given here. Question number 6. If 99 lakh 99,999 plus 1 is equal to 1 crore, then 1 crore minus 1 is equal to 99 lakh 99,999. So we have done it in question number 1 also. And finally question number 7 in mental maths is difference of the largest 7-digit number and the smallest 8-digit number is. So we have these largest 7-digit number. We have this here in the above question, and the smallest 8-digit number also we have here. So if you subtract 99 lakh 99,999 from 1 crore, you will get 1 as difference. The answer is 1. Next we have HOTS questions, higher order thinking type questions. I have 2 questions here. Let us answer these one by one. Question number 1. Ravi had 3 cards. The number on the first card is 1240 more than the number on the second card. The number on the third card is the sum of the numbers on the first and the second card. What is the sum of the numbers on the 3 cards if the number on the second card is 8,800? Ravi had 3 cards. So he has 3 cards. First, second and third. So he is having a number on each of these cards. And those numbers are not given directly here in the question. So they are given indirectly through some hints. We need to find out the numbers on each card, and also finally we should find sum of the numbers on the 3 cards. So let us find the numbers on each card here. Let us read this again. Ravi had 3 cards. Yes, we have 3 cards here. The number on the first card is 1240 more than the number on the second card. Andre ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅದು ಹೇಗಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಗಿಂತ 1240 ಮೋರ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಹಾಗಿರಲಿ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಮುಂದೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ is the sum of the numbers on the first and the second card. So ಮೂರನೇ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? It is the sum of the numbers on first card and second card. ಸೊ ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಡಿನ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದೇನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ? ಟು ನೋ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್, ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನೋ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್, which is given here. See, let us read the last sentence here. What is the sum of the numbers on the 3 cards if the number on the second card is 8,800? So number on the second card is 8,800. So when this is given, now we can easily find and write the numbers on first and third cards. Let us find them. So let us read again. The number on the first card is 1240 more than the number on the second card. That means, so if you add 1240 to to 8800, you will get the number which is a number on the first card. So if you add 1240 to 8800, you will get the number on the first card, that is 10,040, isn't it? So you can verify this by adding these two numbers later. Now you believe that I have done the sum correctly, and let us proceed. So this will be 10,040. So now it's easy to find the number on third card. It is just sum of the numbers on first and second card. That is 10,040 plus 8,800 gives the number on third card, and it is 18,840. So we have found successfully the numbers on first, second and third cards that Ravi had. This is not the complete answer of the question here. So still we need to find the sum of the numbers on the three cards. We should also find the sum of the numbers on these three cards. That is, we have to add all the three numbers here. The sum of the numbers on the three cards is 10,040 plus 8,800 plus 18,840, which is equal to 37,680. It completes the answer or solution for question 1. Now let us move to the second question. Fill numbers in the empty boxes. See, the relationship between these numbers is given pictorially in the form of a picture. We have to fill the empty boxes here. This box is left empty here, and if you subtract this number, that is 3,88,500 from this number which is to be found, you will get another number. Again it is left blank, and from to this number if you add 45,500, you will get 35,76,500. On adding 45,500 to this number which is to be found, you will get 35,76,500. So how to find these? Yes, we should come in the reverse order because we have two numbers here. So if sum of two numbers is given and one of the addends is known, and if you subtract this addend from the sum, you will get the other addend, or which is also called as arguent. So on subtracting 45,500 from 35,76,500, you will get the number to be filled here. That is 35,76,500 minus 45,500 is equal to 35,31,000 is the difference. So this box has to be filled by writing this number, that is 35,31,000, and so this number will be obtained by subtracting this number from another number. Or to find this number, what we can do is, so if you if you add the difference and the subtrahend, you will get the minuend. Verification of subtraction. This is the difference because we are subtracting this number from another number, which will be called as minuend. And so if this is a difference, and if you add the difference and the subtrahend, you will get the first number which is called as minuend. So let us add these two to get this number. So 35,31,000 plus 3,88,500. So on adding these two numbers, you will get 39,19,500, which is to be filled in this box. So like this, you can find the required numbers and fill in the empty boxes. So after this, we have everyday maths, which is based on practical events. Question number 1. Archana is an environmentalist. She decided to promote cleanliness by placing dustbins in each of the 4 zones in the city. The requirement of dustbins in each zone of the 4 zones. The requirement of dustbins in each of the 4 zones are as follows: 32,45,671, 20,89,452, 31,17,837, and 30,04,518. Find the total number of dustbins required. So here in this question, Archana is an environmentalist who takes care about environment and about cleanliness. So she decided to promote cleanliness by placing dustbins in each of the 4 zones of the city. So in a city there are 4 zones, maybe like north, south, east, west. In all the 4 zones she wished to place dustbins, and also she has the requirement of number of dustbins in each zones, which are given here. We have to find the total number of dustbins required. So obviously this is a addition problem. So we have to write down these numbers appropriately, and we have to add to find the total number of dustbins required. Let us do that now. As a solution of this question, let us write down the given numbers vertically or one below the other according to their place values, and then we will add these numbers to find the sum. Let's add these numbers now. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18. Let us write 8 in 1's place and let us carry forward 1 10 to the 10's place. 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 3 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17. I will write 7 here and 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 8 is 19, 19 plus 5 is 24, 4 is written here and 2 is carried forward. 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 9 is 16, 16 plus 7 is 23, 23 plus 4 is 27, 7 is written here, 2 is carried forward. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, 5 is written here, 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 0 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. So we have found the sum of these 4 numbers. Now the conclusion is the total number of dustbins required is 1 crore 14 lakh 57,478. This is how you should find the total number of dustbins required. Now let us move to question number 2. The Health and Social Care Committee of a colony collected 11,87,698 bottles from their colony, including the nearby areas. Their next step was to segregate the plastic and non-plastic bottles. If there were 5,92,876 plastic bottles, find the number of non-plastic bottles collected by them. Here, the Health and Social Care Committee of a colony. ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೋನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಕೇರ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಮನೆಗಳಿಂದ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಮನೆಗಳಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರುಗಳು ಆ ಕಾಲೋನಿಯಿಂದ ಬಾಟಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ 11,87,698 ಬಾಟಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅವರ ಕಾಲೋನಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ಏರಿಯಾಗಳಿಂದ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೆಗ್ರಿಗೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನನ್ನ? ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ನಾನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ಗಳು. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೇನೇನು ಬಾಟಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು? ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಗ್ಲಾಸಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಸಮ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್, ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್, ಆ ರೀತಿಯ ಬಾಟಲ್ಸ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅವರು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ನಾನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್, ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸಿಂದ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿಯ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ವರ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಾದ ನಂತರ they have separated plastic bottles and there were 5,92,876 plastic bottles, and now we have to find the number of non-plastic bottles collected by them. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ? ಅವರು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಬಾಟಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಎಸ್, by subtracting the number of plastic bottles from the total number of bottles collected, we can find the number of non-plastic bottles collected. Let us do that now. The total number of bottles collected is written here, and let us subtract the number of plastic bottles from the total number of bottles now. On subtracting, we will come to know the number of non-plastic bottles. So subtracting 6 from 8, you will get 2. On subtracting 7 from 9, you get 2. For subtracting 8 from 6, regrouping is needed. Make it 6 and this 16. Subtracting 8 from 16, you get 8. And subtracting 2 from 6, you get 4. For subtracting 9 from 8, you need to regroup. This will be 0 and make this 18, and 18 minus 9 is 9. So again, for subtracting 5 from 0 is not possible, so you make this 0 and this will be 10. Now subtract 5 from 10, you get 5. So the conclusion is the number of non-plastic bottles collected is 5,94,822. So like this, you have to find the required solution for such word problems. Now, before concluding this chapter, let us know some facts about the genius in mathematics, that is Srinivasa Ramanujan. The picture is shown here. Let us read and know some interesting facts about Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan is a famous Indian mathematician who was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, India, which is in Tamil Nadu. And remember this, his date of birth, 22nd December 1887. 22, 12, 18, 87, which is needed. Remember this. He had no formal training in mathematics, yet this genius has made outstanding contributions in several fields of mathematics. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ರಾಮಾನುಜನ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸಿನ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಅವರ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ದಿಸ್ ಜೀನಿಯಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಅದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಕೊಡುಗೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸಿಗೆ. ಇನ್ ಸೆವೆರಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡುಗೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒನ್ ಸಚ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್ the square grid given alongside has numbers written in such a way that the sum of the numbers along each row, each column, and even the diagonal entries is 139. This is called Ramanujan's magic square. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಗ್ರಿಡ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಈಚ್ ರೋ, ಈಚ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಈಚ್ ರೋ ಈ ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಈ 4 ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು, ಈ ಫೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 139 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಅಡ್ಡ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡವಾಗಿ ಎಣಿಸಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು 139 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಉದ್ದ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ನೀವು ಈ ಥರ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮ್ಮು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 139. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಡಯಾಗನಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಮೂಲೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಮೂಲೆ ತನಕ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 22, 17 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 89 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 11 ಅಥವಾ 87 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 24 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 19 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ದ ಸಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 139. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಗ್ರಿಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರು? ರಾಮಾನುಜನ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ರಾಮಾನುಜನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಇದನ್ನೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ರಾಮಾನುಜನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ರೋ ವೈಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 139 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫರ್ದರ್, can you find the significance of the highlighted numbers in the first row of the magic square? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಇದರ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು, ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗಮನಿಸ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಓದುವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಮಾನುಜನ್, ಇದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ. ಐ ರೆಡ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್ 22nd December 1887 or 22/12/1887. Look here, 22/12/1887. So if you observe them carefully, you can see that the numbers 22/12/1887 from the birth date of Ramanujan. Just like the name, it is indeed a magic square. ಸೊ ಇದರ ಹೆಸರು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹೆಸರು ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರೇ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ರಾಮಾನುಜನ್. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned all the problems we discussed in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye children.